Well, fellas, I was gonna wait until I got my new GoPro since it shit the bed, but I needed to make some content, and I just wanted to get this out the way. As far as, my announcement, obviously, as you can see, I got the 8.6. I know I've mentioned before in a couple of other videos, well, one other video, I don't have very many, in my Miata, that, you know what, driving that makes me not want to get the 8.6, but I lied. Long story short, I lied, and I got the 8.6, and it's one of 3 dream cars. Definitely always wanted the 8.6 since it was unveiled a couple of years ago, and it was just very hard to get, and luckily Carvana had the car, and I stalked it because it was pretty high priced at one point. So, I stalked it on Carvana for about 3 months or so, and then the prices started to kind of go down to normal. And when I mean normal, I mean like something I was willing to pay because of a car I really wanted. And it was only at like 6,000 miles, so it's still practically brand new. I mean, it's at 8,000 now. I think I've had about 2,000 miles on it. Since I've gotten it. I've had it for like a month now. Well, 3 weeks now. And it's the base trim, so forgive the mess, but I do use this as my daily so far. Nothing too crazy. I will do some cosmetic mods to make it my own. I don't think I'm gonna do power at all because I believe this car, sorry for the noise, is strong enough, fast enough. It did come with these mats, so that was also a plus. That saved me a little bit of money because I was gonna do that anyway. I plan on putting a spoiler on here, so again, mainly cosmetic mods that I'll put on here. I do got the plastic mat in the trunk, and I think ultimately that I won't put power in here. I'll probably just do some carbon fiber accents around just because of this plastic can get really scratched up, all this stuff right here. So I'll probably just throw some carbon fiber in here to make it look a little bit more neat. It also came with the premium shift knob, which I'm debating whether I should get a custom one, like a carbon fiber one or not. But I still like this one just because I do kind of have an affinity for OEM stuff, so this pretty much goes with the car. I do plan on getting the GR exhaust. I was gonna get an aftermarket exhaust that probably sounds better, but I think I'm gonna just go with that exhaust and leave it with that just to get a decent sounding noise out of the car. And yeah, guys, I just I'll probably come up with a POV, a little bit of a longer video, an overview of the car. I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this stuff ad nauseum, so and then I have back seats, sort of, but yeah, I mean, basically I think I'm going to I want to say just a few cosmetic mods and some music upgrades, because this thing definitely needs to be upgraded as far as like sound quality. It's cheap, and I'm okay with that because I don't use it that much, but I do want to, since I plan on keeping this car. Now I'm saying that, but I think of all cars, being that this is a dream car, I'm going to keep this thing. I plan on changing the shift boot probably too, and definitely looking forward to enjoying this car. As you can see, I think I'm at 89. So I bought it at like 74, so still under warranty, so I will be taking it to the track. I really want to learn how to drive this car and home my skills with it. I'm really, really excited for this car, and let me know if you guys like this car, what do you guys think about the car? It does have the Primacy tires, which are a big slick, but they're still kind of fun. I thought they're not as bad as I thought they would be. So, you know, I think that ultimately I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this car. And I'm also gonna change these seats, because being that I travel for work, these seats kind of get a little bit uncomfortable. So I'm definitely gonna look for some more comfortable bucket seats to make this car look a little bit more race-like. But with that being said, guys, that's all I got. I know it's a bit of a short video, but it's just an overview that, hey, you know, I bought dream car number 1 of 3. So I'm excited. Hopefully you guys keep pursuing your dreams, and hopefully you get the cars that you want. And I waited for this car, and obviously it's not very expensive, but you know, I went for it because I felt like I needed to at this point. So and I wanted something that I really wanted to get. So, and also little caveat, the Trueno edition just got unveiled. Looks just like this car, and all the OEM parts go on this bad boy. So I'm actually ecstatic about this car more now than ever, because there are brand new Brembo brakes, you know, high performance parts that go on this car. So I'm pretty happy about that. And you know, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely will be bringing more videos on this car, and I don't think it's going anywhere. I'm super excited about this car, and I'll bring in another video hopefully within the next a week or so. I'm waiting on my new GoPro to come in because the other one crapped the bed. So I just wanted to give you guys an update that I did purchase a GR86, and I'll be working on my next car in maybe about 1.5 years. I'll be working on my second dream car to get that. So stay tuned, and leave a comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.